We went to San Francisco a few years ago. Tons of small lots by the ocean, insane property values, mostly for the land. And looking at that I think that's the problem. And it seems like a horrific union of things happened out there. You got bad water policy. It's not being political, it's just true. Incredibly dense housing, massive windstorms, incredibly dry air in the desert like environment, a refusal to clear leaves or deadfall from forests, antiquated electrical grid. So many factors played a role, but who could have predicted this? Well, the insurance companies sure did. So for years, they've been raising rates due to perceived risk of fire. And the state was unhappy about this because, hey, they were gouging their customers, right? So they put a cap on the rate hikes, just like they did with the medical insurance. So the insurance company said, well, we can't make money taking on this risk, writing a policy for that. So they stopped writing policies. And some even canceled existing policies at the end of the term. And this all happened fairly recently. In the last year or two, it got bad. So my guess is a lot of these homes don't even have fire insurance. They could have went back to the state exchange, but I'll bet they just didn't yet. And so the feds are going to be expected to make up the difference on this $125 billion event so far. Now, if the feds are going to make everyone whole, I think it's valid for us, I'm in Indiana, that we can have an input into how our tax dollars are going to be spent. And so it's definitely worth identifying factors that led to this, not to place blame per se, but to learn and pivot for the future.